Hello guys, welcome. If you're watching this, then most likely you got a turntable for Christmas. If it's your first, prepare to spend lots of money. It's a great hobby. To a beginner though, it can be daunting as to what cleaning equipment and essential accessories you'll need. So in this video, I've just shown 6 items which I believe that, while not essential, are extremely handy to have and not overly expensive. And so the first item is a spin clean. It's a great entry level, manually operated record washer. It's simple to set up and easy to use. It also allows for the rollers to be moved, which is really handy to accommodate the 12, the 10 and the 7 inch. Second item is from pro-ject. It's a weighted record puck. While not necessary to have, I imagine many of the beginners watching this are going to be new to vinyl, and they'll most likely go out and buy old albums, which over time have warped. So basically the puck just helps to flatten the album, reducing the overall tone arm travel vertically up and down, which also puts a lot of strain on your stylus as well. Alright, third item is really common. It's carbon fiber brush. It's available everywhere online. You don't need to buy a specific one. Go cheaper. The expensive ones don't do anything different. It's just a simple way to remove the surface dust and also static from your albums before each play. I usually just run it over before each side in case it's picked up any dust. Right, the fourth item is a common spraying cloth combo that I picked up from a store. I usually use this as well before each album just to remove any dust that may have become stuck to it in storage. Fifth item is another brush, however this uses the felt to clean the vinyl surface. I've found in my experience that this works best when used in conjunction with a microfiber cloth from that spraying cloth combo, so you just wrap it around like I'm showing. And lastly, I believe to be the most important brush is the stylus brush. However, you really have to be careful when using this, as it's quite easy to damage your stylus, and it just depends on which way, of course, you're dragging the brush over your stylus. I've shown this in another video of mine called How to Play a Record for Beginners. And this brush, it's important to get the most expensive you can afford, because the cheaper ones are very, very coarse artificial hairs, and they will damage your stylus, whereas the pro-ject one that I have, I'm showing, compared to the other one, it's very fine. I think it's maybe badger hair.